All right, this is for my OG mini truck dudes out there. I literally, no shit, got goosebumps. You'll recognize this. 1988 Nissan Hardbody, red hot. I used to show against this in 88, 89 with my truck. He was the one guy that legitimately beat me every time. I got goosebumps when I walked up to this thing. It's just like it was, whatever that is, 35 friggin' years ago. Just talked to the owner. Unbelievable, man. It's incredible. I just found the owner of Red Hot. My nemesis from 35 years ago. He used to beat me at every show. It's still around. We just got video of it. Here it is. What's your name?
Anthony.
Anthony. And you, how long have you had it?
I've had it since October 2021.
Okay. All right. And where did you find it?
Found it at autohunter.com. And the truck was located in Champlain, New York, in a storage facility.
Wow. And it's still like it was 35 years ago. It's exactly
like it was.
Wow, that's incredible, man. All right, I appreciate it. Thanks
Not
a lot.
Problem.
Good to see you.
You too.
All right, thanks.